Do you know why it is called the 10 o'clock flower? It is a small, multi-branched, fast-growing succulent plant in the purslane family. It gets its name from the fact that the flowers usually only bloom from around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., and the plant is only 10 to 15 centimeters tall. Purslane is very easy to grow and care for. You can take advantage of used items around to grow. Today I will use a broken light bulb to grow purslane. Please watch this video to learn how to grow purslane simply and effectively. Avoid dropping the bulbs on the ground and the bulb caps coming off after planting flowers. I use a non-stick adhesive to cover the gaps between the bulbs. Make sure the adhesive is firmly fixed when planting flowers. Sometimes used objects around us have great recycling effects for many different purposes that we do not know. First, I used a hot blowtorch to make even holes, just big enough to plant the purslane cuttings. We drill holes evenly spaced, about 2 square centimeters. With this even spacing, when the flowers mature, they will bloom beautifully. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. When I put soil in the bulb to grow purslane, I use worm castings mixed with the soil. Make the soil very loose and fluffy to help the plant grow easily. Vermicompost has great effects. In addition to providing long-term nutrition for plants, it also has high antibacterial properties, loosens the soil, and is environmentally friendly. When choosing purslane branches, we should choose branches that are free of pests and diseases, green, plump, and growing well. Before inserting each purslane branch into the planting location, we can use a tool to make holes first, so that when inserting the purslane, it will not break and will be easier. We can stick the purslane branches into the soil about 2 to 3 centimeters deep, and the outside part is similar. Portulaca oleracea is easy to grow and care for. It blooms for a short time and comes in many beautiful colors. If you have a balcony, plant a few pots of portulaca according to your preferences to make the space more beautiful. To give the purslane a special touch, I used a thin piece of metal and a piece of plastic pipe about 4 centimeters long and hot glued them together. This created a very special and sturdy base for the purslane to rest on. After planting the purslane, I will put the whole root in a pot of clean water to help the soil have stable moisture for the plant to grow. After 5 days of planting, the portulaca has sprouted new buds. Now I will prune and take care of it. We can use pruning shears to help them sprout thicker and fuller buds when they bloom. To provide enough energy for the plants to grow, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish mixed with water to water the flowers. When the flower is 10 days old, the plant has developed many dense branches. At this time, the plant is preparing to flower. We need to prune the weak, unnecessary branches on the outside to help the plant concentrate nutrients, develop thick branches, and produce large flowers. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Currently, I use Nutri-Food water to water my purslane flowers. This water not only provides nutrients but also stimulates the plants to bloom very strongly. What do you think? Isn't it great? Just a broken light bulb, I can take advantage of it to grow a basket of purslane flowers to decorate my balcony more beautifully. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.